Hi, Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, as you know that this is your book of Phonic Language Series 3, means the book of PLS. Children, today I am going to teach you action words. Do you know, children, what is action words? Those actions which we perform in our daily routine like talking, running, speaking, baking, cooking, wiping. Those words which shows our action, it is called action words. Now children, we will do our exercise in our book. So now open the page number 68 and let's start your work. Children, this is page number 68. And in this page, she is doing clapping. What is she doing? Yes, she is doing clapping. And here is word written clapping. 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 And you can also read like this. Clapping. Clapping. And here you will write the spelling of clapping. 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 Then you will write again the spelling of clapping. 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 Children, they both children are doing walking. They are walking. So here we write again the spelling of walking. 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 Now write it again. Walking. Walking. Children, the hens are jumping. And the spelling of jumping is Jumping. Jumping. And children, you will write here the spelling of jumping. 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 Now write it again. Jumping. Jumping. Children, you will complete this page at home with the guidance of your parents. And children, you will also do the page number 69 and 70. Children, on page number 70, you will read and color doing words only. Like this is writing. Which word is this? Writing. Means this is doing words. So we will color in them like this. And this is book. So is this doing word? No, this is not a doing word. So we will not color in this box. Here is written walking, means walking is a doing word. So you will also color in this box. Children, you will also complete this page at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.